Alright, so today we're going to be looking at the beauty of Harry Styles. He is a absolutely gorgeous man, and I would like everyone to appreciate the beauty that he is. We are going to look at the different eras of his hair. Eras. And yes, that's what we're going to be doing together as a class. I apologize for my very slow Wi-Fi. However, it takes a while to download all the beauty. So here we have little Harry, tiny baby. Here we have long hair Harry. Controversial take, but he's my least favorite. We have Prince Harry. Look at Prince Harry. Oh, ooh, bandana Harry, my favorite era. Look at that bandana. Oh, hair clip Harry, Dunkirk Harry. Ah, so many beautiful Harrys. Yes. So that is all, class. We have finished looking at the beauty of hairstyles. Thank you for tuning in.